What if you could put together a desktop computer together for under $100? Welcome to the Mini PC Tech channel, where we talk about all things Mini PC. This is Mike, your host. I have a master's degree in electrical engineering and spent a 4-decade career as an electrical engineer, software engineer, and cybersecurity analyst. I own and manage 5 Mini PCs. Today, we explore using a Raspberry Pi as your desktop. This compact, affordable board handles everyday tasks at home or work. Let's look at what you need, how to set it up, and if it's worth it. If you like videos like this, be sure to subscribe to this channel. And be sure to check the links below for more information on the Raspberry Pi and how to buy one. First, what is a Raspberry Pi? It is a single-board computer and very inexpensive. There are different models for different purposes, as cheap as $5. For a desktop, you will want the full Raspberry Pi. Also, this is not your typical Windows desktop. Usually people will use the native Raspberry Pi OS or one of the supported versions of Linux. And as of the date of this video, there isn't a supported version of Windows 11. But if you want to learn or know Linux, this might be a great second desktop for you. Start with a Raspberry Pi 4 or 5 with at least 2 GB RAM. There are great kits available for under $100, complete with most everything you'll need. You need a micro SD card, preferably 8 GB or larger, class 10 or faster. This is one thing you will need to buy, but it's only a few dollars. Link below. Use a 5 volts, 2.5A or 3A power supply for stable performance. These come with most kits, or if you buy the board separate, are sold separately. Connect your monitor via micro HDMI. Add a keyboard and mouse through the USB ports. The Raspberry Pi supports several different operating systems. In this video we will take you step by step with the standard Raspberry Pi OS. But it supports Ubuntu and other Linux variants out of the box, and you can experiment with others if you like. The first step is to download the Raspberry Pi Imager. Use the Imager to write Raspberry Pi OS to the SD card. More information on the Imager, desktop, and links including how to buy a Raspberry Pi are included in the links in the description. Insert the card, power up, and let it boot. On first boot, configure Wi-Fi, region, and user settings. After updates, you're ready to roll. Enjoy low cost, low power, and quiet operation. Access a wide range of open source software. Manage your software with Synaptic, and browse the web smoothly at basic resolutions. Run Office apps like LibreOffice or email clients like Thunderbird. Performance can lag with complex multitasking and heavy video editing. Some apps run slower than on full PCs. High-resolution video playback might stutter. Expect limited compatibility with resource-intensive software. Cool your Raspberry Pi with heatsinks or a small fan. The kit I recommend comes with a fan. Use a high-speed SD card or external SSD for faster storage. Stick to lightweight applications. This is a great computer to experiment with. Try retro gaming, run a media center, or automate your home. You can enhance your desktop use with creative projects like these. Raspberry Pi serves as a versatile platform for exploration. A Raspberry Pi can act as a desktop. It's not perfect, but it's affordable, customizable, and fun. With patience, you gain a useful system for web, office, and light projects. Subscribe for more Mini PC insights, and share your Pi desktop experience below. Thanks for watching. This is Mike, signing off until next time.